Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop training platform for IT, pharma and domain-specific courses. Here in this video we are going to learn what is RPA, Robotic Process Automation. What is RPA? Difference between automation and robotic process automation. What is software automation? How to identify processes suitable for RPA. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest trending videos and training programs for free. Should you need more information about the RPA certification course, please contact at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Happy learning, viewers.
Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is RPA, Robotic Process Automation. The agenda is what is RPA, difference between automation and robotic process automation, what is software automation, how to identify processes suitable for RPA. First of all, what is RPA? As we know, it is robotic process automation. It is a software or technology which mimics human actions to perform sequence of tasks without human intervention is known as robotic process automation. What is robotic? When a machine mimics human action, it is called robotic. What is process? A sequence of steps are required to perform a particular task is known as a process. What is automation? Any task is done with human intervention is termed as automation. So nowadays automation is a hot topic in many industries right now. It can refer to several things, not just robotics. In this picture you can see that there are more than 50 plus RPA softwares available in current market. So what is the difference between automation and robotic process automation? First of all, we need to think, do I need automation or robotics? First things first. If you are a business owner, you are probably wondering whether automation or robotics is right for your business. The quick answer is it really depends on your current business needs. So you need to consider asking these questions. Are any tasks in your business currently done by human workers and are repetitive and boring? Are any tasks in your businesses a bottleneck to productivity? Are they physical tasks or virtual tasks? So based on this, you need to know whether you need to go with automation or robotics. So one example of automation is ATM machine, which you can see in the diagram. And for robotics, you can see in the right bottom of the picture. So what is automation? Automation means using computer software, machines or other technology to carry out a task which would otherwise be done by a human worker. As you can see in the bottom right corner the picture, there are many types of automation ranging from the fully mechanical to the fully virtual and from the very simple to the mind-blowing complex. Robotics is a branch of engineering which incorporates multiple disciplines to design, build, program and use robotic machines. So what is software automation, which we already discussed? So software automation includes mainly three components, which is business process automation, we call it BPA. Second one is robotic process automation, which is RPA. Third one is intelligent process automation, IPA. We will see one by one. What is BPA? This is a high level strategy to streamline business processes. It involves formalizing all processes within the business and then integrating them into automation software. Implementing BPA can involve dramatically restructuring the business. Now coming to the second one, RPA. Despite its name, RPA has nothing at all to do with physical robots. It refers to software robots, which are programmed to use computer programs in the same way as a human operator would. They don't necessarily complete tasks in the most efficient way, but they are easier to integrate into the existing business processes. Coming to the third one, Intelligent Process Automation, IPA. This is an extension of RPA, which uses artificial intelligence to learn how humans perform tasks when using a computer program. This allows the software robots to perform more intelligently than with the static rule used in RPA. Coming to this slide, types of processes suitable for RPA, robotic process automation. There are four main considerations for process selection is suitability for RPA. First one is rule-based decisions. No human judgment decision making. Decisions are rule-based and logical, thus able to be depicted on a decision tree. Coming to the second one, digital data inputs like printed, scanned, PDF, handwritten or paper documents are unsuitable as these are non-digital inputs. However, such processes are compatible with more advanced intelligent automation technologies such as machine learning, OCR, etc. Coming to the third one, structured data, which contains structured data and structured inputs such as templates and stable databases. Coming to the fourth one, highly repetitive and stable, based on a standardized, repeatable process, ideally clearly documented, and should not be expected to undergo significant changes in the near future. So these are the types of processes which needs to be considered whether the process is suitable for the RPA. Thank you very much for your time. Stay tuned to this SPJK channel to get next upcoming videos on RPA and several other tools like Automation Anywhere, UiPath with some real-time examples. Thank you.
Thank you viewers for your time. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest trending technology videos. For any further queries, please reach us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.